Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Chubb for risk and policy access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Chubb official website using your preferred web browser. Locate the sign in option, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on sign in to proceed to the login page. If you have an existing account, enter your credentials in the provided fields. Input your username in the first box. Then, type your password in the second box. If you are a new user, look for the Create an Account link below the login fields. Click on the link, and you will be directed to the registration page. Fill out the required personal information, such as your name, email, and contact number. Choose a strong password that meets the specified requirements. After completing the form, review the information for accuracy. Submit your registration by clicking the Create Account button. Once registered, return to the login page. Log in using your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, navigate to the Policy Access section on your dashboard. Here, you will find options for risk and policy management. To authorize your access, click on Authorize Access. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security question or email confirmation. Follow the instructions provided for identity verification. Once verified, you can designate specific policies you wish to access. Select the policies you want to view or manage from the list provided. Confirm your choices by clicking on Authorize. You should now have access to the selected policy details. For further assistance, use the Help section or contact customer service. This completes the authorization process with Chubb for risk and policy access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.